Hi everyone, and welcome to Mind Travels. Have you ever wondered if there are other universes out there? Well, today we are going to explore some theories that suggest there might be, and what those theories say about our place in the cosmos. So get ready for a wild ride through the multiverse. Now, before we dive into this, I'd like to ask you to take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on any of our future videos. So let's get started. Are there other universes? The idea that there may be other universes beyond our own has been around for centuries. Ancient philosophers pondered the existence of multiple worlds, and in recent years, it has become a popular topic in science fiction stories. But is there any truth to the theory of the multiverse? Or is it all just a bunch of make-believe? The theory of the multiverse suggests that our universe is just one of many universes that exist outside of our own. Some believe that these universes are infinite in number, while others believe that there are only a finite amount. There are also different opinions on how these universes interact with each other, if they do at all. Some believe that they're completely separate from our own, while others believe that they're connected in ways we don't yet understand. One of the most popular theories of the multiverse is the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. This theory suggests that every time a decision is made or an event occurs, the universe splits into multiple universes, each representing a different outcome. This means that in one universe, a particular event may have led to a completely different set of circumstances than in our own. For example, in one universe, a butterfly may have fluttered its wings and caused a tornado, while in our universe, it may have done nothing at all. Over time, these universes continue to split, creating an ever-growing multiverse with infinite possibilities. Another theory of the multiverse comes from string theory. This theory suggests that our universe is just one of many that exist within a higher dimensional realm. In order for string theory to work, there must be at least 10 dimensions, but we can only perceive 4 of them. The other 6 are thought to be curled up at such a small scale that we can't detect them. These extra dimensions could theoretically contain other universes, each with their own set of physical laws and constants. This would mean that there are other universes out there, with different sets of circumstances than ours, potentially containing different versions of ourselves. Some scientists even believe that our universe is just one of many that exist within a greater multiverse. This theory, known as the inflationary multiverse, suggests that our universe underwent a period of rapid expansion, known as inflation, in the first few seconds after the Big Bang. This inflation could have created bubbles of space-time, each containing its own universe. These universes would be separate from each other and have their own unique properties. Some may have different physical laws, while others may have different constants. This would mean that there are other universes out there with different sets of circumstances than ours. So now that we've explored some of the theories that suggest there may be other universes out there, let's discuss whether there's any evidence to support them. Unfortunately, there's no direct evidence of other universes. The theories we mentioned are based on mathematical models and interpretations of existing data, rather than on observation. However, some scientists argue that the lack of evidence isn't evidence of a lack. They say that just because we haven't found other universes, doesn't mean they don't exist. It's possible that our current technology and understanding are simply not advanced enough to detect them. But what do you think? Do you believe there are other universes out there? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Some people believe that the multiverse is just a way of explaining the unknown. They argue that the theories are too speculative and not based on hard evidence. They also point out that the multiverse can be used to explain away any data that doesn't fit a particular theory. This makes it a sort of catch-all explanation that's difficult to test or disprove. Others argue that the multiverse is a necessary part of modern physics. They say that the theories are based on sound mathematical principles, and that the lack of evidence for or against them doesn't make them any less valid. They also point out that the multiverse helps to explain some of the mysteries of the universe, such as the fine-tuning of the physical constants. If there are other universes with different physical laws and constants, then it seems unlikely that ours would be so finely tuned for life. This could suggest that our universe is just one of many that are suitable for life, making the existence of other universes a necessary part of understanding our own. Together, let's explore the vastness of the universe and the endless possibilities that lie within. As we wrap up this video, let's take a moment to consider the implications of the multiverse theory. If there are other universes out there, what does that say about our place in the cosmos? Are we just one of an infinite number of versions of ourselves scattered throughout the multiverse? Or are we truly unique in our own universe? The idea that there may be other versions of ourselves out there is both exciting and terrifying. On the one hand, it's thrilling to think that there may be other versions of ourselves who have made different choices or lived different lives. On the other hand, it's unsettling to think that we may be just one of an infinite number of copies. But perhaps the most important thing to remember is that regardless of whether or not there are other universes out there, we only have this one. We only have this one shot at life, so it's important to make the most of it. The multiverse can be a fun and thought-provoking concept to explore, but it shouldn't distract us from the beauty and wonder of the universe we actually live in. The fact that we were able to look up at the stars and contemplate the possibility of other universes is a testament to the power of the human mind. And while we may never know for sure whether there are other universes out there, the journey of exploring this question is just as important as the answer. We hope you enjoyed learning about the multiverse with us. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. And if you have a friend who might be interested in this topic, feel free to share this video with them. Together, let's continue to explore the vastness of the universe and the endless possibilities that lie within. Thanks for watching Mind Travels.